work on.
Split para kay Eman. 16 points in the ball game. Final 2 minutes here. And Zamboanga complete a comeback. Sumang inside. He scores. And this is the closest Zamboanga has gone here. They are within 10. Minute and 45 to play. Pastoran. Ano gagawin ng Basilan dito? Pastoran could not convert, but a crucial tap by Lester Reyes. Here comes Calo inside the paint. Eman Calo trying to put this one away here. Sumang. Nabitawan ni Kawilan. It will stay with Zamboanga, but referee Alan Manzano wants to double check.
Well, I was surprised with Calo's sudden attack to the basket, but he made sure making that 2 points para sa kanila.
Let's go to Mika.
Hindi ko lang talaga pwedeng hindi ipasok ito. Sabi ko kay Eman Calo, alam ko masayahin ka pala biro, pero parang sobrang saya mo itong season na to at sa game na to halos hindi ka talaga nagbimintis. He said, gusto ko lang lumabas sa court na kahit 35 na ako at ang 20s lang ang mga kalaban ko, hindi sila basta-basta uubra sa akin. Eman wears his wedding ring on the string of his shorts each game as his inspiration na ngayon ko lang nalaman. That's how serious he takes his playing. Si Delphin Javi.
Thank you so much for that, Mika. A bit of information on Eman Calo, but I think he's inspiring a lot of people here. Ito si Eman Calo with his play, with his steadiness on the court. I think as he's gone, as his, you know, habang tumatanda siya, actually lumalabas itong totoong Eman Calo na he's pretty much you know, yung pagka-fit niya dito sa laro niya sa MPBL, lalo na dito sa Basilan.
He's aging like fine wine. And he has shown us that what, oh my goodness.
That's good night. That's night-night.
That's night-night.
51.9 to play, 13 points ang lamang ng Basilan.
And that's a huge bonus already with everything that Arwin Santos has been able to do in this game. 9 points now para sa kanya after that 3. He's pulled down 9 rebounds, and how many blocks has he had? Arwin Santos, the Spider-Man, making some big rejections in this game. 3 blocked shots para sa kanya.
That's a foul on Roy Sumang, trying to defend the bigger Arwin Santos.
Two former PBA players going at it. Way downtown here.
Only a few players are allowed to do that in the PBA. And even, you know, only a few players are allowed and can hit from that area of the floor.
Well, I mean, it's hard not to allow a guy like Arwin Santos. That's a legend already in Philippine basketball.
And Basilan able to hold off Zamboanga here. And this is another big win para dito sa Basilan. They've had some big wins this season, Javi. One against Pampanga. And then here, as they are going to come away with a huge one against a really good team in the South Division. They beat Zamboanga here, Basilan Star Horse, with their 15th win of the season. Really strong performance from the Star Horse.
I think this has to be their biggest victory of the season because this is coming off a rival in the South, someone who they can